Taming the webpage jungle, the power of organization. Imagine a library with books piled haphazardly. You walk in, and there are books everywhere, on the floor, on tables, and even stacked in random piles. It would be a nightmare to find anything. You'd spend hours just trying to locate a single book. The frustration would be overwhelming. Websites can be similar. Without proper organization, information becomes a jumbled mess. Visitors can't find what they're looking for, and they leave frustrated. That's where HTML's structuring elements come in, like lists and tables. These elements help you organize content in a way that's easy to understand and navigate. They are the shelves and cabinets of web design. Just as a well-organized library makes it easy to find books, a well-structured website makes it easy to find information. By using them effectively, you present information clearly and make your website easy to navigate. Visitors can find what they need quickly and efficiently. Think of lists for step-by-step instructions or key takeaways. Lists break down information into manageable chunks, making it easier to digest. Tables are perfect for presenting data in a structured, row and column format. They allow you to display complex information in a way that's easy to read and understand. In this journey, we'll uncover the secrets of crafting well-organized websites using HTML lists and tables. Let's dive in. Together we'll transform your web pages from chaotic to orderly, making them a pleasure to navigate. Lists are fantastic for presenting information sequentially. HTML offers two main types: ordered and unordered lists. Ordered lists, denoted by the tag, present items in a numbered sequence. This is perfect for steps in a recipe or rankings in a game. Unordered lists, using the tag, display items with bullet points. This is ideal for listing features of a product or creating a simple menu. Each item within a list, regardless of its type, is enclosed within tags, standing for list item. Remember, clear organization enhances readability, and lists are your trusty sidekicks in achieving this. A list within a list. Exploring nested lists. Imagine needing to organize items within a list further. That's where nested lists come in. Think of it like creating subcategories. You can have a list within another list and even another within that one. For instance, you might have a list of countries. Within each country, you could list cities. This hierarchical structure brings order to complex information. To create a nested list, simply place one list inside another. For example, to nest an unordered list within an ordered list. Nested lists are powerful tools for representing hierarchical relationships within your content. Section 4. Tables. Arranging your data neatly. Tables are the go-to solution for presenting data in an organized grid format. They provide a clear and concise way to display information, making it easier for users to understand and analyze the data presented. They excel in showcasing relationships between different pieces of information. Whether you're comparing statistics, listing items, or displaying schedules, tables help in visualizing the connections and differences clearly. Think of a table as rows and columns. Each row represents a different record, and each column represents a different field or attribute of that record. Each intersection of a row and a column forms a cell, holding a piece of data. This structure allows for a systematic arrangement of information, making it easy to read and interpret. The tag signals the start of a table. It is the container for all the table elements. Rows are defined by tags, meaning table row, and individual cells within each row use tags, meaning table data. For example, HTML row 1, cell 1 row 1, cell 2 row 2, cell 1 row 2, cell 2. This code snippet will create a simple table with 2 rows and 2 columns. Each tag represents a new row, and within each row, the tags define the individual cells. You can add as many rows and columns as needed to fit your data. Tables are not just limited to text. You can also include images, links, and other HTML elements within the cells to make your data presentation more dynamic and interactive. By using tables effectively, you can create a well-structured and visually appealing way to present complex data, making it accessible and understandable for your audience. Section 5. Styling your tables, a touch of elegance. While a well-structured table is functional, adding a touch of style can significantly enhance its visual appeal and clarity. One of the most common styling aspects is adding borders to cells. This visually separates the data and improves readability. You can add borders using the attribute within the tag. For instance, we'll create a simple border around all cells. Additionally, you can center the content within your table cells using the attribute within the tag. Experiment with different styling options to find what best suits your website's aesthetics. Section 6. Troubleshooting your lists and tables. As with any aspect of coding, mistakes can happen when creating lists and tables. These errors can lead to unexpected behavior in your web pages or applications. Let's look at some common errors and their solutions. By understanding these pitfalls, you can save time and avoid frustration. 1. Forgetting to close tags. Always ensure that every opening tag has a corresponding closing tag. This is a fundamental rule in HTML coding. For example, the tag. Missing a closing tag can break your layout and cause elements to display incorrectly. 2. Incorrect nesting lists or tables requires careful attention. Each nested element must be properly placed within its parent element. Make sure each nested element is fully contained within its parent element. Incorrect nesting can lead to broken structures and unexpected behavior. 3. Missing table elements. Double-check that you have included all necessary elements for your table. Section 7. Your mini project, building a structured web page. Now it's your turn to put your newfound knowledge into practice. Create a web page about your favorite hobby. Use an unordered list to showcase 3 reasons why you enjoy this hobby. Create a table listing the equipment or materials you need for your hobby. Include at least 3 columns with relevant headings. Style your table with a simple border. This mini project will help you solidify your understanding of lists and tables in HTML. Remember, practice is key to mastering these elements and becoming a proficient web designer.